Hello guys, this is Arkneil Gaming, and in this video we're going to claim the gift we received from Impacta Gaming. Please like and follow guys. Yes, your friend Impacta Gaming gifted you an item and left the following message. Enjoy your new emote, Impacta Gaming. Yes, like and follow guys on FB. So let's get it. Bencana! Yeah, I chose this over the shoe. At first I chose the shoe one. Anyways, I won this from an emote giveaway. So thank you for Impacta Gaming. Thank you to Impacta Gaming for giving me this emote. And let's equip it. Yes. Where's the new emote section? Yes. Bencana. So what do we change? Let's change the Power Geyser. So save settings and apply to all heroes. It's kind of annoying. Anyways, thank you for watching. Like and support Impacta Gaming. Bye bye.